Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check graphics card on LENOVO V15. First of all, of course, your device doesn't have a discrete graphics card, it only has an integrated one, but if you want to check its properties, you can go to Start, open Settings, then in Settings, on the sidebar, select System, then scroll all the way down this list and open About menu. And in this menu you can check your graphics card, the amount of video memory on it, and also the name of it. You can learn more about your device's graphics card by right-clicking the taskbar, go into Task Manager. In the Task Manager you have to open Performance section right here, and then select GPU. And in GPU you can also check your graphics card name. And you can also check all of its all of the graphics card specifications right here below, and so you can also check the resource usage monitors. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.